Hi everyone. This video is about the digestion of protein along the human gastrointestinal tract. Protein digestion starts only in the stomach because there's no enzyme for the protein digestion in the oral cavity or along the pharynx or along the esophagus. So please remember that there's no chemical digestion for the protein in this area. When the protein reaches the stomach, it will be broken down by the pepsin enzyme to become the small polypeptides. Protein are very long chain of the polypeptide. So when it's broken down by the pepsin, it will be cut to become the shorter chain of this polypeptide. The stomach will release the pepsinogen, and this pepsinogen will be activated by the hydrochloric acid to become the pepsin. Later on, the small polypeptides will be released into the duodenum, and this is where the pancreatic juice will be released. Trypsin and the pancreatic carboxypeptidase are two enzymes occurs in the pancreatic juice. These two enzymes will act on the polypeptide chain to cut them to become the small peptide and also the amino acid. The trypsin will break down the small polypeptide just now to become the smaller polypeptides. They will cut this polypeptide chain to become even shorter. And later on, the shorter chain of this polypeptide will be further broken down by the pancreatic carboxypeptidase. So the digestion will create the small peptides and also the amino acids. Amino acids is the smallest building blocks of this protein. So that's why it will not be further broken down. So it will just move along the duodenum and the jejunum and the ileum later to be absorbed. While for small peptide, it have to be further broken down. So as the small peptide move along the duodenum and the jejunum, there are brush border enzyme being released here. So in the brush border enzyme, there are dipeptidase and also the aminopeptidase that can break down these small peptide to become the amino acids. So these two enzyme in the these two enzyme released from the brush border are very important in order to break down or to complete the chemical digestion of all the protein to become the amino acid. So that will means that along the jejunum and ileum, well, all the protein will be absorbed as the amino acid. In summary, we can say that the protein digestion will start in the stomach and being broken down along the way in the stomach and also the small intestine, right? That will means that the duodenum and also the jejunum, right, to become the amino acid. Then the amino acid will be absorbed.